Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unlock pineapple verbena pie recipe in Heartopia during the Modular Street Festival event. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is one of the festival foods during this Modular Street Festival event. And I'm going to show you how we can unlock this recipe. First of all, you need to have the fruit verbena pie recipe, which you can buy from Massimo's cooking store. Then you're going to use the brick surfing card to make it. Okay, this is the fruit verbena pie recipe. These are the ingredients. You need butter, egg, and this lemon verbena. And if you want to make pineapple verbena pie, you're going to replace the fruit with pineapple like this. And you're going to start cooking. And for the pineapple, guys, you can buy the seed from Blanc's gardening store. You can unlock the pineapple seed after you reach level 4 in your gardening hobby. Okay, done. And I've just unlocked the pineapple verbena pie recipe. Next time, if you want to make it, just use the new recipe, this one. Okay guys, and that's how we can make a pineapple verbena pie in Heartopia Modular Street Festival event. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!